while we have discussed all the different areas where AI tools can help us, we need to be careful in a few ways as well. The first one is that we need to remember that AI is there to support us, it does not replace us. So we need to use it to our advantage and not that it kind of badly impact our reputation or our learning. We need to also be mindful of biases and limitations. It has some limitations I already showed you in those slides. We need to not trust AI blindly, and then we need to use it to get ideas, but we need to put our own human touch to it to make sure that those ideas make sense to us as well. And we need to preserve the academic integrity, making sure that we do not kind of claim that something written by AI is our work. And then we also need to be aware of the plagiarism, because there are these uh, tools now which to some level detect that, okay, whether a text is written by AI or it is written by a human. We also need to be careful about not feeding very sensitive information to these AI tools. And lastly, we need to keep ourselves up to date about the use of AI, because it's a very rapidly evolving field.